Hello and welcome to the Puppetarians Puppet Summer Camp 2021. Today we are going to make Dabbu the Dragon from a cardboard box or a carton. But first of all, subscribe to the channel and write done in the comments below. Dabbu the Dragon will give you a special hug. Oh, he looks so excited. Watch this video till the end because there we are going to give you a tip on how you can make the body for your Dabbu the Dragon. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Let's look at the material we are going to need. One big cardboard box or a carton that you get when you order a home delivery. You can take any size carton. We've taken a considerably big one, but you can make it out of a small carton as well. That'll be a baby dragon for you. One marker, some poster colors. We've taken red, yellow, black. You can take any colors you like. A paintbrush, a scissors, or you can also use a cutter. Depends on what you're comfortable with and what you find safe. If you're using a cutter or a sharp scissors, always do it in front of your parents or ask your parents for help, okay? Glue, you can use any kind of glue, but as you know, we love multi-fix. It really binds well and is really strong, but you can use Fevicol too. One disposable paper bowl. If it's a small paper bowl you have, then use two. If you have one big one, like the one we have here, then just use one. And a small piece of thread or ribbon, black in color preferably, a piece of black chart paper and white chart paper as well, and some masking tape. You know, the kind of tape that's made from paper? That's all. That's just the material you need. Now let's start making our Dabbu the Dragon. Take the carton first of all and determine which one is going to be the front side, the front face of the dragon. Choose the side that's shorter in length to be the face of the dragon. The longer sides are going to be the side face, the profiles of the dragon. So I'm going to choose this side. Now take the marker and mark a wavy line across the side, the front of the face that you've chosen, and the other side as well. It can be a big wavy line. It's just the mouth of the puppet that we are going to cut. Remember to leave the back side of the carton as it is. Do not do anything there. That's the back. We are going to play the puppet from that side. So only mark and cut the three sides, the front of the face and the sides. Now that we have marked it, let's start cutting. You can use a cutter or a scissors. If the box is really strong, you may need a cutter. If it's thinner, lighter, then scissors may work too. You can use a combination of cutter and scissors and cut all the way through the side, the front and the other side as well. Just leave the back uncut. Now at the back of the puppet, we will draw a circle. You can draw a freehand circle. It doesn't matter really. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, just a freehand circle. And then cut that circle out as well. There. From here, we are going to put our hands in and play the puppet's mouth. Here we have got the back and the sides and the front of the face all cut and done. Another thing you can do is mark the center of the circle, both sides like this, and just fold on the markings a little bit. That'll help you make the mouth move really easily. One more thing, if there's any plastic tape on this box, then remove that. Because while painting later on, the plastic tape may create problems. The paint won't stick to it that much. So just take out the plastic tape first. Now here, the top of the box, that's usually open because you've opened it and taken out whatever it was inside the box. So we'll need to close this top part. Just put some glue and stick it shut. You can also secure it with some masking tape on top. Why we are using masking tape and not plastic tape? As I said, the color will not stick on the plastic tape so much. So we'll use the masking tape, the tape that's made of paper. Repeat this for the bottom of the box as well. If that is also open, then stick it with glue and finally seal it with some masking tape. Press on all the sides so that the glue really works its magic and your top and bottom are really sealed perfectly. Now on the top front side of the face, we are going to make two big nostrils. The dragons have big flary nostrils, right? So I'm using something to just help me mark a perfect semicircle. You can use a lid out of a box or something that will help you create a semicircle, and create 2 of these semicircles on top. Mark the center on the top like this and then make 2 semicircles on either sides. Now let's cut these semicircles. I'm going to first mark where I'm going to cut with a cutter, and then it will be easier for me to just cut it with scissors or cutter. Remember to not cut it all the way through at the center. Just cut it till where the lines are meeting, okay? There, it's cut, and we're just going to lift the nostrils up like this. There, it's taking shape. Our dragon has got its nostrils, at least the outline of the nostril. Now take some bright color. I'm taking red because I feel that my dragon should represent fire, and red and yellow and these kind of colors will be nice. So I've taken red poster color and I'm going to start coloring the dragon all around. In the front, on the sides, at the back, on the top, at the bottom, everywhere. Have fun coloring. Coloring is so therapeutic. If anywhere on the box you have big prints or writing or designs in dark colors, then you can just do a double coat there of the color and it will hide the prints a little bit. Don't forget to paint at the bottom too, okay? Paint everywhere, all around. There, all the sides done. Now, let's not forget the inside, and you can maybe just paint the bottom half on the inside. So just open the dragon's mouth and start painting the inside so that when the dragon opens its mouth, it looks nice. All done. Now till the time the color dries, let's start making the eyes for the puppet. The dragon should have big eyes, right? So take a big disposable paper bowl. If you have a smaller paper bowl, then you can just take 2 of these paper bowls. I have a big one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in 2 parts. So fold the bowl at the center and then cut along the fold line. You'll get 2 round whites of the eyes. Now take some black chart paper and take any round object, a bottle cap or any round thing really, for a reference of the size. So first check with this round object if it's going to fit the white of the eyes. I think this size is perfect for my dragon's eyes. Mark 4 circles on the black chart paper with the help of this bottle cap and then cut these circles out. There. Now take the black thin ribbon or a black thread, anything will do here, and cut 2 small pieces out of it. Now put some glue on the black circles, paste one end of the thread or ribbon and sandwich it with another circle on top so that the thread is caught in between of these 2 circles. It will look like a medal like this. Repeat with the other one. These are our black pupils of the eyes. Now take the white of the eyes and then again fold a little on the circle just to see which is the center spot of this eye white. At the center, just snip a little bit with the scissors so that you have a hole there, and then put the thread or the ribbon in and pull it like this. Keep the eyeballs hanging a little bit so that they move when you move the puppet, and tape the thread at the back of the eye whites like this. Repeat with the other eye. Fold, find the center, cut a little bit, just a little bit with the scissors so that you have a hole there, and then put the thread in, let it hang a little bit out and then paste it at the back. I'm using Multifix, but you can always use a Fevicol here. It's such a fun way to create eyes and dangling eyeballs. Our eyes are done. Oh, the paint is also dry now. Now let's put the eyes at the back like this. We are going to paste them here. So let's put a little bit of glue down there below the eyes and paste them on the cardboard box. Further back, if you're using Fevicol here, remember to put a lot of it Let it dry a little bit and then paste it. Boom! It's done. The eyes are there as well. Now let's start giving it more features. Now let's draw some nostrils with black marker like this, and then make another one inside like that. Make the outlines thicker with a black marker and fill the inside nostril either with the marker itself or with a black paint, whatever you have. Time to give our dragon some teeth. So just take some white cardboard. This cardboard needs to be a little thicker because they are going to be the teeth. They should not fold easily. If you don't have a cardboard at home, then just stick 2-3 layers of white paper together so that it is sturdy. You can also recycle some invites or greeting cards. So cut a lot of different size, styles, kinds of teeth, whatever you like, big and small. And then we are going to glue them. This is so much fun. Glue teeth on the top, at the bottom, on the sides, in the front, wherever you like. As ferocious as you would like your Dabbu the Dragon to be. Now let's make some ears, dragon ears. I've taken 2 pieces of cardboard that have a little flap on the side. If you don't have this kind of a cardboard, you can just fold a little bit of the side like a flap for us to be able to glue it later on the puppet's face. And draw the ears like this. Remember, 1 ear for the right and 1 for the left. So the same design you're going to make 1 for the right ear and then turn it over, trace it on another piece of cardboard and then cut it out for the other ear. So cut these designs out and then paint them with some bright color. I'm going to give it yellow color. Till the time the paint on the ears dry, let's give our Dabbu the Dragon some spots. I will give it matching yellow spots. So make the designs, the spots wherever you like. In the front, on the sides, on the top, at the bottom, wherever you like. Feel free to give any design, any shape, lines, motifs to your dragon puppet. It's your puppet. Do what you like. It's so much fun to do all this and see a simple material like a cardboard box right in front of you transform into a beautiful dragon. Oh, our ears are dry. Put some glue on the foldable side of the ears and then stick them on either sides right below the eyes. So put some glue on the flaps and then stick them. There! Our Dabbu the Dragon puppet is done!
Now make your own Dabbu the Dragon and send us your pictures and videos on the Puppetarians@gmail.com. Your puppets will be showcased in the finale video. Whoa!
You can also share your pictures and videos of your Dabbu the Dragon on the Facebook group made specially for the summer camp. Link for it is in the description too. Remember to hold your puppet like this. Either you can hold it from either side, top and bottom like that, or you can put your arm inside the hole like this and then move the puppet's mouth like this. Easy peasy. Now you can make this kind of a puppet and play with your family, with your friends, shoot a little story on your mobile phone and then send us all the pictures and videos, okay? As you know, this is totally free, but if you like, you can donate a little for COVID relief work here in India. The link to all the donation sites are in the description below. When you donate, you can send us a screenshot of the same and we'll give you a shout out in the next live chat, okay? A special tip for you all, if you want to make the puppet's body like a Chinese dragon puppet, just put a bed sheet behind the puppet's eyes like this, pin it or tape it. If you're pinning it, be careful, your hand is going to go at the back, so be careful of that. So stick one end of the bed sheet on top behind the eyes like that and then let the rest of the bed sheet flow. If you can ask your parents, your brothers, sister, your friends to get in behind the back and be the puppet's body, that'll be great. Then you can run around with your puppet, dance with your puppet, play with your puppet like that. See, so pretty. Share about this video with your friends and family and invite them too to this puppet summer camp. Let's all play puppets together. This is the last puppet making session of the Puppet Summer Camp 2021. Next week, we are going to showcase your puppets and your pictures and videos that you've sent us over email and on the Facebook group. So, those of you who have not sent it yet, send all your puppet pictures and videos. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and being a part of the Puppetarians Puppet Summer Camp 2021. Stay home, wear mask, wash your hands, stay safe. Bye-bye.
This video is created by the Puppetarians. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon too so that you never miss another video from us. Let's play puppets!